This is a recorded session from TeamViewer. It allows IT support to review what happened on a screen. You cannot play it in Windows Media Player. Only the TeamViewer app can play it back. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's verify the software. The easiest fixes come first, but I want you ready for the ultimate solution, the magic utility that specializes in the TVS format. Details below. A TVS file is a video recording created by TeamViewer, a popular remote access and remote control computer software. It captures the entire session, including screen activity, mouse movements, and keyboard inputs, allowing users to review and analyze remote support or presentation sessions. These recordings are valuable for training, auditing, and troubleshooting purposes. TVS files are typically encoded using a proprietary video codec optimized for screen recording. The file format includes metadata about the session, such as the date, time, and participants. TeamViewer's built-in player is required to view TVS files, ensuring compatibility and proper playback of the recorded session data. Conversion to standard video formats may be possible. The direct link for opening TVS files is established with TeamViewer from TeamViewer. Windows provides a generic icon, but lacks a specific viewer for this format. Windows often recognizes these files, but advanced operations need video editing tools. Open the context menu on the TVS file and choose Open With. Your priority is testing TeamViewer. If it fails or is absent, select another program and test until you get access. If your TVS file still refuses to open, stay calm. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent TVS file error. First, open TeamViewer. Launch the TeamViewer application, which is required to play back these proprietary remote session recordings. Next, use the playback utility. Navigate to Extras, Play or Convert Recorded Session, and select the TVS file to watch the recorded activity. Finally, convert to video. Use the built-in conversion tool in TeamViewer to save the TVS recording as a standard AVI video file for easy viewing. If no local program recognizes the TVS file, it likely indicates a naming overlap where your system is attempting to use the wrong tool for that specific format. A universal viewer is designed to act as a versatile tool for identifying many formats, providing a reliable way to attempt access when standard programs have failed. When even advanced utilities can't handle the TVS file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Keep your skills sharp, and thanks for learning with me. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.